Hi everyone, welcome to another video, and today's video is about the 1/18 scaled down version of Volkswagen Polo Cross. So let's get started. So this is the model itself. It is officially licensed by Volkswagen and made by Podi, and it is also written on the box that it is an accurate scale model and not a toy. I've already unboxed the GTI performance version and the normal version, and this one is the crossover one, which has some visual changes like these wheels, roof rails and cladding. So the model has some amazingly realistic interior and exterior detailing. It also has these openable parts like engine cover, trunk, all four doors, and like most of the Podi models, it also has these foldable ORVMs and openable sunroof. So I bought this model for around 6,000 rupees from one of my friend here in India who also collect diecast models, as it is really hard to import these models as of now in India due to some custom regulations. But these are available on ebay.com and aliexpress.com, and I'll provide the link of those in the description of this video. So if you are not already, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this, and you can also follow me on Instagram at miniature_automobiles. So Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.